My dear friends, we are talking about delayed decisions, the mindsets of the owners. What is happening is in most of the projects, delayed decisions take a toll over the project very badly. And with my experience, I have observed two important factors, two important things, two important reasons why the projects get delayed. First and foremost is the obvious reason, funds. Point number two is your plans never get freezed. They keep on changing. That is again a vital delayed factor. So there are other factors also, but these are the two important or two major things which I have personally understood with my experience or whatever projects I was doing. I have learned that these are the two major reasons why the projects get delayed. Usually what happens is the owners have a desire to develop a good property, and they keep on meeting various people, they keep on visiting various sites or hotels, pan India or internationally. They learn a lot of things from there and try to incorporate that into their plans. Every now and then, whenever the architects are freezing the plans or going to one stage, the owner comes and changes it. So this is the major issue and major loss. People don't understand, if you keep doing this, your other expenses are on, your project team is ready, your site raw material is already come, your other expenses are on, your hotel will be started late, so or launched late. So one has to understand, you need to freeze your plans ASAP, and for whatever freeze or whatever decision you have taken, you have to stick to it. You will keep on getting new ideas, there is no end to it. You have to come to a consensus, or you have to come to a decision by freezing the plans and putting them under the execution. Otherwise your project will go for years and years. However, whatever you are doing, your funds also has to be there. If your funds are not there on the right time, your vendor payments are getting delayed because of whatever reasons, then again there is a delayed factor which will creep into, and you will lose on the time. Losing on time means losing on money. If you have borrowed the fund from your bank, you are gone for a toss, because that interest will kill you. So my dear friends, I hope I have touched the micro points. I have all my videos touching the micro points, doing short videos so that it touches the subconscious in the right fashion and you understand the core points. Before getting into it, I am Shailesh Fursange, father of a super boy. Hotelier since 1988, Taj veteran, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Stuart transformed into a managing director, founder of Melon Hospitality Private Limited. If you like my video, say like. Subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Lots and lots of videos are there, my dear friends. You will learn a lot. Learn for yourself. Share it with the world. Share it with the industry colleagues, and let us grow together. If anybody would like to talk to me, any hotel owner would like to talk to me, please drop in a message down below. I will be available for a free 15 minutes Zoom call, and we can take the things forward and get into the right business. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay connected.